Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video I will show you how play YouTube videos or YouTube music in the background with iPhone. This video compatible with iOS 15 and work well for all iPhone. If you are Android user, next video for you. Let's find out how to keep playing YouTube video when screen lock. When we playing the YouTube video and press the home button, stop the playing video from the YouTube app. This is the usual thing when playing the YouTube videos. There are two steps to play YouTube videos background. Let me show you method 1. This video I am going to keep playing background and after screen lock. This is the official YouTube app. After select the video, click share icon. Then select more. Then we should select YouTube PIP. This is the awesome feature. If you are not enable YouTube picture-in-picture setting, watch my previous video. Link in the video description. Here the video playing in background. After playing the YouTube video picture-in-picture method, click this maximum icon in the video. Then your video will appear in full screen. Then press the home button. After doing this, YouTube video disappear from the screen. It will be added to the player. Check it from player. It should be added here. But my YouTube video not appear in the player. First time sometimes it will be goes error. Therefore jump back to YouTube video. Then go to the home while playing YouTube video. Check back the audio player. Now we can see the YouTube video in the audio player. Now we can play this song background and after screen lock. This is the method 1 to play YouTube videos background in iPhone. Let's find out what is method 2, how to play YouTube videos background in iPhone. Open the Safari browser. Search YouTube. When you click the YouTube link, it will open officially YouTube app. But we need to open YouTube in Safari browser. Therefore type the full address for YouTube. Just like me. Then Safari browser open YouTube site. Then find a video you like to play background.
We took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to.
Then click the full screen icon in the video. When video playing in full screen, press the home button. Then your videos goes to picture-in-picture mode. And it will auto-close. Same as previous. Now check the audio player. The YouTube video added to audio player. You can now play this video background and after screen lock. This is the trick for how to play YouTube videos background in iPhone. Give a comment, does it work for you? Or not? Subscribe me to watch more videos. Thank you. See you again.